Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is a short video on a product that I ordered online some time ago. I was in need of a motorcycle vest that I could wear on top of my riding gear. And I had done some research online, came across a company by the name of First Manufacturing. And I saw that their products were also being sold through some online shops such as Revzilla, and then also saw it in the Harley Davidson dealership stores as well. So it seemed to be a fairly well established brand, something that maybe is known in the motorcycle community for motorcycle style riding vests. They are actually manufactured in Pakistan. So the vest that I had ordered was a custom order. I believe the model is a Sharpshooter Custom, and the order was placed February 26, 2025, and today is April 7th, 2025. So this is just a unboxing video of the vest, so you're going to see it for the first time. You can see it's in its original package, arrived via UPS earlier today. And I'm really excited to see how this turned out. I did order a size that was much larger than probably I need, but the reason for that is I plan on wearing this over my regular motorcycle riding gear. Being a vest, you're not going to have as much protection when you ride a motorcycle. So the concept there was to put it over an existing motorcycle style riding jacket. And then also, just kind of a side note, I'm a Patriot Guard rider. And I have various patches from the Patriot Guard that I plan on having sewn onto the vest. So anyway, this is just kind of a reveal of that product, and you're going to see it for the first time like I am. So go ahead and open the package. All right. Wow, it's definitely huge, but that's by design. Again, because I mentioned I plan on wearing this over my regular riding gear. This one I had various features added onto it, like hidden compartments and so forth. So yeah, looking at it right now, wow, pretty impressive. Leather. It's got some weight to it, which is good. You may be able to see that a little better that way. Have some, I went with the button down pockets in the event of rain. It has a little hole here that you can, let's say you have your cell phone in there, you can put your wire through that. It also has some hidden pockets, zippered pockets that are here, both sides that you can, again, and then you can see there's a hidden compartment there as well. So the whole kind of idea here is to get this thing with various patches put onto it, sewn onto it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Really impressed with the quality here. Again, you're seeing this for the first time like I am. So double zippered. Let's see if we can get that open. Well, got to figure that out, but it's got the liner. You can choose a different type of liner. I went with this kind of open by itself, kind of a mesh type of liner here. Figured that'd give me a little more cooling. You could have got this liner with I could have got it with like a USA flag, but I decided not to do that. Keep it a little kind of low key there. But there's a manufacturer. Information, custom shop, First Manufacturing Company. Yeah, they say they're in New York, but the actual manufacturing is in the country of Pakistan, which, you know, I don't have any issue with that. Especially looking at the quality of the work here, this is really pretty nice. So on the back, I'll go ahead and put various PGR related patches on the back of this vest. And then it has zippered sides. So if you needed more space, you could unzipper those. And again, I could have gone to a different type of opening here, like button down, or even like a stretched elastic type, and I just chose the zipper type. So anyway, a little more information. It says lifetime warranty. Not sure exactly what that means, but it actually has some pictures here. It shows you the different features of the vest, the different pockets and so forth. So that's kind of cool. And this liner, it actually, I believe it is zippered in. Yeah, it is zippered in. So if you needed to, you could take this out, I suppose. And then it also does have pockets, so you can put your crash protection inserts in here. I actually have a few that I can just drop in there. So if I were to decide to wear this without, for example, a jacket, I could probably get away with it to some degree. I won't have any protection on my arms or elbows, but that's fine. Zippered side pockets as well. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is an unboxing video of the first manufacturing custom vest that I had ordered some time ago. And first manufacturing was really cool. They sent me updates in terms of where the shipping was. There was a slight delay, probably through customs. This is also kind of the time where the tariffs have kind of kicked in, so I'm not sure if any of that had to do with any types of delays. But they kept me informed and assured me that they would track the vest, and it arrived today, which is April 7th, 2025. So anyway, thanks for watching, and if you're interested in something like this, hopefully this will help you in terms of what kind of decision you need to make. But from my perspective, I'm pretty happy with the quality, in terms of the quality of the build and the leather and so forth, and not disappointed at all. All right, take care, and thanks again for watching. Have a great day.